Hi, happy Valentine's Day. I have the balloons in the back. Thanks for asking what are the risks involved in becoming an accredited investor. See, becoming an accredited investor comes with several risks and that potential investors should be aware of before investing or deciding to pursue any kind of status of and some of the risks include, well, higher risk investments. Accredited investors have access to a wide range of investments opportunities, many of which are high risk, high reward. Please remember, there is no free lunch. When you are taking more risks, then there will be higher rewards also. And these investments may include like private equities, hedge funds, venture capitalism, which I'm into quite a bit into the IPOs and early startup companies and all that, which are generally less regulated and have fewer protections than other type of investments in this country, in USA. Lack of liquidity is another thing. Many accredited investors are not easily bought or sold, so may have restrictions on how time frame there is hold. Like in our deals, I've been doing it for last 15 16 years. It's from 3 to 7 years of the time frame, usually 3 to 5 years and so on. But please look into that. The liquidity, lack of liquidity is there. Lack of liquidity means that investors may have to be up, tie up their funds for a longer period of extended periods of time, making it difficult to access their money when needed. That's the big part. Higher fees, that's also one should really be looking into. How accredited investors often come with higher fees compared to other types of investments. So as they are managed by specialized investment managers, firms, and require more due diligence and everything in there. Then limited diversification. If you're putting some money into some investment and if their focus is very narrow focus, it'll be limited diversification for accredited investors and may end up in more concentrated investment portfolio, as many of the investments available to them are restricted to have high minimum investment amounts. So that's another risk. The other one is limited information. I mean, as mentioned, accredited investors have fewer regulatory, requirements than other investments, and therefore investors may have limited information about the investment and the risks involved. So it's very important to carefully evaluate the risks and the benefits of becoming an accredited investor and investing into with all these vehicles to let your money grow in cash flows or through equity gains and so forth. Please do consult with a financial advisor before making any kind of investment decisions.